Hey, what is going on, guys? Going to do a quick unboxing of my new Google Pixel 3 here. Also do a slight comparison to the Google Pixel 1 and Google Pixel 2. So let's go ahead and start off with this unboxing here. Give you a quick look at the box here. And the color I got is called Not Pink. Here we go, guys, Not Pink. And it doesn't look pink, it kind of looks peach. See how it looks? Let's go ahead and pull this out. And we can see, of course, no 3.5mm jack. So let me go ahead and just power this on here. Let me go ahead and show you what else is in the box here, and then I'll do a slight comparison between the other Pixel phones. So let's see here, let's open this up. Let's see what we get out of here. So we get a simple startup guide, and of course we get your ejection tool for the SIM card, and we have some other we have stickers here and another pamphlet. Put that to the side, and let's see what this is here. All right, so I got some cool, I got some earbuds here. It uses the USB Type-C, guys. And here is our charging cable, USB Type-C to C. So there's probably a wall adapter. Pretty cool, which you just plug into there, and you can plug this into your Pixel 3. All right, so it looks like we have a OTG cable here, a USB Type-C to a regular USB here. You want to attach USB devices to your Pixel 3. We also get a adapter, a USB Type-C to a 3.5mm headphone jack here. And that's pretty much it for the box here. And let me give you a closer look at these phones here. First thing, we can see that all of them still have the Pixel 1, Pixel 2, and the Pixel 3. We still all have the fingerprint scanner here on the back. And I'll turn these forward here so you can see what the front of these look like. You can see the bezel is a lot thinner on the Pixel 3 versus the Pixel 1 and 2. You can see how thin it is up here. Let's turn it over here, and we can see the power button and the volume up and down rockers on the same spot. We can go look underneath here. Oh, now this is cool. So the Pixel 3, you can see the SIM card tray is right on the bottom. But on the Pixel 1 and the Pixel 2, it sits at the left-hand side of the phone. You can see there. On the Pixel 3, there's nothing on the left-hand side here. And you can also see the lenses here. They all each look a little bit different. Here's the Pixel 1, Pixel 2, and the Pixel 3. You can take a look at that there. And looking on top of the phones here, we can see the Pixel 3 with the mic up here. Here's the Pixel 2. And you can see the Pixel 1 here on the top of the phone. It actually has a 3.5mm jack. I kind of wish they kept that on the Pixel 2 and Pixel 3. Anyways, let me give you guys one more closer look here. Guys, I'm going to be doing some photo and video comparison side by side with all three of these phones as well. So make sure you stay tuned for that. I'll try to go and shoot that footage tomorrow. But here's the fronts of the three phones. And that's pretty much it. Guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.